This is the 5 Island Lighthouse, the park. Okay, let's go up here and see what this says. So in appreciation, Gertrude Jenkins of Lower 5 Islands donated this land to the municipality for the county of Colchester in 2001 for public recreational use in memory of her foster son, Cecil Shea. Enjoy the beautiful place. Now I'm not sure if they're opened or not, but we shall see. Nope, it's not open. Okay, the history of the 5 Islands. In July 1913, the province of Nova Scotia purchased 2.1 acres of land at Sand Point, 1.6 kilometers east of here, from David Corbett for the purpose of building a lighthouse. 1914, the structure was completed, and the light to guide the marinas up and down the Menace base was lit for the first time. For many years, the lighthouse was used kerosene oil. It was lit from the second week of April, depending on the ice in the bay, until the last day of December. So it wasn't open very long. The first lightkeeper was Cyrus McBurney. After his death in 1925, he was succeeded by his son John, who in the fall of '63, Ronald Marsh was appointed lighthouse keeper. Shortly before this, the large oil lamp room was moved and the light bulb system installed. 1993, they officially closed it. In 1996, they purchased it and brought it over here. Pretty cool. This is a great area. They've got a playground, look, for the kids. They've got an eating area, and you can just come out here. It's beautiful. And these are buzzing. Okay, so in the previous video, we were at that island when we could walk to that island with the shark fin looking, and now the island is once again not covered completely because the tide's going out, but it is there. And look at these islands, man. Oh, they got a hammock. Well, how cool is that? Now, the only problem I see with this is there's only 2 of them. One here and one over there. Let's see how this would feel. I don't know. That doesn't look like it'd feel too good. Ouch. Let's see. Should have turned the other way. The sun's in my eyes. Look at this. Yeah, this is not comfortable. You just have to bring something. Oh.
Well, this is where we're eating lunch. Harbor View Restaurant. Our specialty is local seafood. Okay, very good food here. I had halibut bites and sweet potato fries because they're better for you than regular French fries. That's what I keep telling myself. That's where the tide goes up to, right there about 4 or 5 feet. And there's the lighthouse out there. And then her big chair. I think there used to be an there used to be an album called The Big Chair. I don't remember now who put it out. Look here. I can't even put my legs down. I feel like a baby in this thing. I feel like a baby, Dina.
Dina, you sit in it and you fall back. All right, ready?
The lighthouse out there.
You stay.
The tide is down.
What in the world you do, Dina? All right, ready?
So, I've heard Tommy can be a crybaby once in a while, but here's the proof.
All right, now Tommy, you're way. He actually did really well. He did.
Hey, what's that album they call The Big Chair? All right, the tide goes all the way up here. See against the wall, the tide, all the way up there. I think it probably goes up to, it appears to be the last little seaweed up there is where the tide actually goes to. So it's supposed to be the largest tide in the world, 50 feet a day. 50 feet a day. When you see the lighthouse. Okay, Dina has been finding these little coins. These little coins. They're not old. Some of them are Chinese. Some of them are 777 on them. It's almost like they were casino coins or something. We're gonna find them out exactly what. See, she's finding more. Here, Dina, let's see. Here, put them in my pocket here. Look at Dina picked up 4 more.
It's a treasure. The pirate's ship was sunk out there.
And they're like
And they keep coming in.
Asian coins. These are Asian. They got Asian lettering on them. Maybe somebody from our channel can tell us what kind of coins they are. This shows with the tide. I mean, it tide. These rocks are covered completely at low tide. You can see right in there, low tide, high tide up there on the as we said before, on the pier. Look at this. The water has not been out that long. It's still wet. Water has not been out that long. The coins are, the sea floor is still wet here. It's still real wet. So it's not been out very long. You can see right here the water is draining. I'm going to go down further here. You can see the water is draining out to the sea right here. So it's not been out very, very long. It'll start to come up. You can see how far I would be underwater, about 30 feet right here. It's weird. The water is just draining off. You can see it. It looks like it's a creek, actually, right in these rocks. And the water is just keeps going out. I'm going to go as far as I can and turn around. You'll see the difference. You can see right here, though, the water's draining out to the ocean. Clear water too. It's almost crystal clear. But I would right here be under about 30-40 feet of water. That's strange. Right here it's draining out. Whew. That hill's kind of steep. You don't realize it until you start walking up it. It's kind of steep. Be huffing and puffing. Another coins. I guess the Chinese people must throw these things in the water. Look here. We'll find out if they're silver. Might be some good luck. They throw it in for good luck and we find it for good luck for us. Very neat.